You guys, look what I got. What's up, babes? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel. So in today's video, I am going to be doing an unboxing of my very first Louis Vuitton bag. If you guys would like to see what I got, then just keep on watching. And now for the unboxing, you guys, I got my Louis Vuitton bag. Y'all, this bag is well deserved. Like, it is definitely an asset and an investment at the same time. Y'all, I am just so excited about my bag. So let me start talking and show y'all what bag I got. This is her in her dust bag. She is gorgeous. She is absolutely beautiful. This is the Alma BB in Damier Ebene. And y'all, this bag is absolutely beautiful. I've already inspected it and everything because I wanted to make sure if there were nothing wrong with it. Everything was stitched correctly. There were no dings, there were no dents. Because sis, like, the price on this, like, you definitely want to inspect your bag and make sure that everything is good. And I just have it stuffed with a t-shirt right now, just to kind of give it, you know, to kind of keep the bag shape and so it won't get any dents or anything in it. I love that I got her in the Damier. And it took me a minute to kind of get the key situation straight. I forgot what this called, but y'all, I had to put it on like 12 times because it wasn't laying flat. And I actually just have my lock on the outside of the bag right here. I actually was going to get me some charms to go on the bag, but I decided to go ahead and put that extra money aside and get me another bag, sis. So I love the gold hardware on this bag. I did inspect this bag to make sure it's doggone near perfect because you pay a lot of money for these luxury items. You want to make sure you inspect them. There's no loose threads, there's no dings, there's no dents. You want to make sure everything's good. So the zipper, you guys, is very smooth. I love the zipper on this as well. It also has two ways that you can zip. There's like one on this side and then there's also one on this side. And as far as the inside, you guys, this is what sold me. Red interior. Anything with red in it, like, I am sold. I love me some red. So inside the bag you get the straps, so you can wear this bag as a regular arm bag, you can wear it as a crossbody, you can wear it as a shoulder bag. So it comes with a strap, and then it also comes with these little tags in here just saying that it's coated with cowhide leather trim and that it's man-made. It also has the barcode to my bag in here. And just in case you guys were wondering, this bag, to find out like when your bag was made, is right in this pocket. And y'all, it was hell trying to actually look in there and see when it was made, but I finally got it, and my bag was made June 22nd of 2020. And y'all, my bag is made in France. She's made in France. I don't know if you guys can see it from here, but my baby is made in France. So I was super excited about that, you guys. I hope that the next bag that I order also is made in France. But I love the red interior. I love this bag, you guys. If you are like me and you like a more structured handbag, you will love this bag. I feel like it's not too structured, but I feel like it's not too like floppy, and you know, it doesn't lose its shape fast. I also feel like this bag is very classy. I feel like this bag can be worn with a nice black dress as well as a pair of blue jeans. I'm actually going to wear it for the first time today, so I am super excited about that, you guys. And I do want to get my is this a key holder? I mean, the keys for the lock is in here, but I don't forget what this is called. But I do want to get mine actually hot stamped because I do see this bag being a staple in my collection. I do not see myself selling this bag. I feel like it's not too big, it's not too small, it's the perfect size. And lately I haven't been wanting a very super large handbag. I've been wanting something not too small but not too big either. I also decided to purchase this bag because I don't see a lot of people with it, at least not in my city. A lot of people have the Neverfull, which is super popular. And it's gorgeous as well, it's just not my thing. And I decided to get it in Damier because it is a treated leather, so I don't have to worry about it being too hot. I don't have to worry about it raining and it getting messed up. I don't have to worry about the leather on it patina and getting darker. I really don't like the whole patina look, so yeah, that's why I decided to get this bag, you guys. Like, I am so happy, I am so blessed, I am so grateful. This is definitely you know, a nice luxury item, and well worth it. And I do like that it does have feet on it, you guys, so when I place my bag down, I don't have to worry about the actual leather on it getting messed up. But as long as you keep all Louis Vuitton bags away from water, sanitizer, those type of things, I think you'll be just fine. But I love her, y'all. She is gorgeous, and this is my new baby. This is the very start, and many more to come for my Louis Vuitton obsession. So I want to show you guys what this bag actually looks like on the arm, on the shoulder, and as well as a crossbody. So I'm going to go ahead and insert those clips. So I did want to say, unfortunately, I did not get a chance to go into store to purchase my very first Louis Vuitton bag because these stores had appointments. You have to wait in a line with everything that's going on in the world. I did not really want to stand in line, honestly, you guys. So I just rather prefer it come to my door. So I decided to go ahead and make my purchase over the phone, actually, with a, I don't know if they consider those essays or representatives, but he is everything. And y'all, I've purchased actually 3 more items from him since then. So he is amazing. The products are amazing, you guys. I love my bag. I am super satisfied. So yeah, I just wanted to come on here and show you guys what I got. I'm also going to show you guys some other things coming. But I know in my vlog you guys wanted to know what I got. So this is what I purchased. If you like this video and would like to see more unboxing videos of luxury items, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. And if you like this channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button so you can become a part of the gang. Y'all remember to be blessed and follow your dreams. And I will see you guys in my next video.